Peacock feathers, nature's hidden lasers. Scientists discover biolaser cavity. Imagine a world where nature itself can produce laser light, and peacocks are leading the charge. Scientists have recently discovered that the magnificent tail feathers of peacocks can emit narrow beams of yellow-green laser light, marking the first known instance of a biological laser cavity in the animal kingdom. This groundbreaking discovery was made by a team of researchers from Florida Polytechnic University and Youngstown State University. They found that the colorful tail feathers of peacocks contain microscopic reflective structures capable of amplifying light into a laser beam. But here's where it gets interesting. The team had to apply a special dye to the feathers and energize them with an external light source to observe this phenomenon. Upon closer examination, the researchers discovered that the peacock feathers can emit two distinct frequencies of laser light from various regions across their iridescent eye spots. This finding is particularly significant because it suggests that the feathers' microstructures are highly tuned to specific wavelengths of light, much like a precision optical device. To conduct their experiments, the researchers carefully prepared the peacock feathers by repeatedly wetting the eye spots with a dye solution and allowing them to dry. After several cycles of wetting and drying, they observed a highly consistent set of laser wavelengths. The process required multiple staining cycles before the feathers began to emit laser light, indicating that the dye needed time to fully penetrate the feather's microstructure. The eye spot of a dye-doped peafowl tail feather was found to emit laser light from multiple structural color regions. Even in areas where the visible reflection bands were outside the gain region of the dye, we still observed laser light emission in some locations, explained the researchers in their study published in scientific reports. The researchers noted that the highest laser intensity was emitted from the green color region of the feathers. This observation suggests that the precise arrangement of microstructures within the feathers plays a crucial role in the lasing process. However, the exact microstructures responsible for this effect remain unidentified. Co-author Nathan Dawson of Florida Polytechnic University speculated that protein granules or similar small structures inside the feathers might function as a laser cavity. Some experts believe that this discovery could have far-reaching implications, particularly in the field of medical diagnostics. For instance, looking for laser light in biomaterials could help identify arrays of regular microstructures within them. This technique could potentially be used to classify and identify foreign objects, such as viruses with distinct geometric shapes, based on their ability to act as lasers. While the study does not provide a definitive answer to the question of which microstructures are responsible for the lasing, it opens up exciting possibilities for future research. And this is the part most people miss: the potential for peacock feathers to inspire new technologies that mimic nature's intricate designs. What do you think about this discovery? Does it change your perspective on the capabilities of biological systems? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Shocking! Peacock feathers are natural lasers. Mind-blowing science discovery explained. Did you know that peacock feathers can do more than just dazzle with their vibrant colors? It turns out they can actually emit laser beams. Yes, lasers, when dyed multiple times. This mind-boggling discovery, published in scientific reports, marks the first ever example of a biolaser cavity in the animal kingdom. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The secret behind those stunning iridescent hues isn't pigments, but the intricate structure of the feathers themselves. And this is the part most people miss. It's all about physics. You see, the colors in peacock feathers and other natural wonders, like butterfly wings, come from tiny, ordered structures called photonic crystals. These aren't just pretty, they're precision tools of nature. Think of them like a diffraction grating. But instead of splitting light into a rainbow, they selectively block or allow certain wavelengths to pass through. In peacock feathers, this effect is created by the barbules, fiber-like structures made of melanin rods coated in keratin, arranged in a precise, periodic pattern. Different colors? That's just nature adjusting the spacing between these structures. Here's the controversial part. While we've created man-made photonic crystals, nature's version is still far superior. Why? Because they're self-sustaining, angle-independent, meaning the color doesn't change when you tilt the feather, and serve multiple purposes, like protecting the bird from the elements. Imagine if we could replicate this. Scientists are already dreaming of applications like iridescent windows, self-cleaning car surfaces, or even counterfeit-proof currency with encrypted patterns. But here's the question. Are we ready to unlock nature's blueprints, or will we always play catch-up with its ingenuity? What do you think? Can we ever truly replicate the perfection of peacock feathers? Let's discuss in the comments. Peacocks have real lasers in their tails? Jaw-dropping science discovery. Imagine a world where animals can harness the power of lasers, and you'll be amazed to discover that peacocks have been doing just that, with a twist that will blow your mind. The notion of sharks with frickin' lasers might seem like a relic of the past, but it's time to shift our attention to the majestic peacock, whose dazzling feathers have been found to contain a secret that will leave you stunned. It turns out that the eye spots on a peacock's tail feathers have unique properties that allow them to align light waves, effectively turning them into yellow-green lasers. But here's where it gets really interesting. This phenomenon isn't just a result of the feather's nanostructures, but rather a complex process that involves the amplification of light through stimulated emission of radiation. To put it simply, when a light is shone on certain materials, such as dyes or crystals, the atoms in those materials excite each other, releasing a flood of photons that can be amplified to create a laser beam. This process, known as light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, is the foundation of laser technology, and it's not uncommon in nature. However, to create a bona fide laser beam, the amplified light must be aligned in a specific way, with the phases of the waves marching in step. One way to achieve this is through the use of an optical cavity, which reflects the waves back and forth, allowing them to build up and create a coherent beam. The researchers who made this groundbreaking discovery found evidence of optical cavities in the form of resonating nanostructures within the eye spots of the peacock feathers, which emitted two distinct wavelengths, green and yellow-orange. But what's truly remarkable is that these structures are found across the entire feather, all emitting the same precise wavelengths in a signature pattern. This raises an intriguing question. What kind of structure is responsible for aligning the amplified light at these specific colors? The answer to this question could lead to significant advances in laser technology, or provide biologists with a new tool for analyzing living materials. And this is the part most people miss. The potential applications of this discovery are vast, ranging from the development of new laser technologies to a deeper understanding of the complex interactions between light and matter. As for the peacocks themselves, it's likely that this unique ability has evolved to serve a specific purpose, such as communication or mating displays. Perhaps other peacocks are able to see these laser-like displays in a way that's beyond our perception, using them to convey information or attract mates. The idea of sharks with lasers might seem far-fetched, but in the context of this discovery, it's not entirely impossible. After all, if peacocks can harness the power of lasers, who's to say that other animals can't do the same? This research, published in scientific reports, is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity of the natural world, and it invites us to reconsider our understanding of the intricate relationships between light, matter, and life. So, we have to ask, what other secrets are hiding in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered by intrepid researchers and curious minds? Do you think this discovery has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the natural world, or is it just a fascinating anomaly? Share your thoughts in the comments below.